What's up, you guys? It is Mimi Loves Hair with you guys to show you how I customize my mauve bob. This will be a blunt bob, and I wanted it, a mauve color, or some people may call it rose gold. So I use a dash of purple, red, yellow. You guys won't see me incorporate the yellow in the water, but I used a couple of colors to get this particular mauve bob. So as you can see, I have dipped the hair into hot water, and now I will begin to install. So when I install, I always start at the nape area and go from one ear to the other. I follow that same pattern all the way up to the crown of the head, and you guys will see or watch me as I do that. As far as the color, you guys, I used red, purple, hot pink, and a dash of yellow actually. So I always dip the hair into hot water to make sure the color adheres to the hair. If you do not use hot water, it will not hold onto the hair. So make sure the water is hot. So as you guys can see, I have glued around the perimeter of the cap. I am now cutting the excess cap away from the leave out. Gluing around the perimeter allows me to have extra hold for this cap. So watch me as I now complete the installation, you guys. So there are different methods as far as installing these quick weaves. This particular method is the basic method. All I'm doing is lining the tracks the way or the position the hair will fall. So watch me as I complete this method, and hopefully you guys like the results. So as I get closer to the leave out, I will split the track in half just to make sure tracks are not bulky, or to make sure that I don't expose the tracks when I part the hair. Now we have gotten to the cutting phase of this video. As you may know, I am cutting a blunt bob. Blunt bobs are the hardest to cut, so make sure your client is sitting up completely straight with her legs uncrossed and her arms uncrossed. You will always get the perfect cut when they're sitting in this position. So now I'm going to go in with the clippers just to make sure I have the right length and the lines are more precise. And I will do this probably one more time before I complete the look. As I flat iron the hair, I like to use a argan oil just to make sure I have some good shine to the hair. This is also to ensure that frizz and static is not an issue. This color is actually looking gorgeous on her. The light is hitting her well. The lightning is hitting the hair well. As you can see, the blend that I chose for this particular look is perfect. And she loves it too. So for the leave out, you can use anything that has a hole to it. I like to use Pump It Up. Sometimes I like to use Got to Be Glue. Whatever you decide to use is perfectly fine. Just make sure that the hair is still able to move a little as you're wanting them to be able to flat iron their hair while they're at home. So here I go as I apply more and more and more. And the blow dryer just locks in the look. Now I will have my client to stand just to make sure I have an even look. You guys, we have to make sure our clients do this because what happens is sometimes they still are bending and their shoulders may be lifted while they're in the chair. So standing actually relaxes their shoulders so that we can get a feel of the length. And I am using my thinning shears right here. These thinning shears allows the hair to have movement. So we don't want bulky bobs. I want to be able to get some swing in her hair, movement of course. I want to make sure I do that because for me, if the hair doesn't swing, it's not a real bob. So I'm going in and cutting it again and thinning it out a little more just to make sure this happens for me because I am a perfectionist when I'm in the salon, you guys. So my clients will tell you that I will not allow you to move or leave the chair unless The hair is completely right. And I hope you guys are like that as well. So, hey, ladies, don't forget to subscribe and comment below and let me know what you think of this video. I would love to hear from you and tell me what you think that I should do on the next video. I love to cut, color, and style. So if you'd like to get in touch with me, please don't hesitate to email me at prettycockyhair@gmail.com. You guys, don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe to this video as I apply these edges and make sure they are laid, honey. Y'all know y'all can't leave nowhere without those edges being laid. So I'll see you guys later on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. See you later.